Look, what's going on out here? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? The walking zombie. Walking zombie here in Croydon, people, yeah. We're there, so I cook the food. That is one of the homeless people that come and eats every day. He's attending to the police there, right on site. You understand? So yeah, police is attending to the scene right now, people, yeah.
Spice or alcohol?
Yeah?
One or the other?
No.
Eco-friendly. Look how smoky this. That's smoky. Boy, nice smoky. Chris Norman.
At the most soup out of everybody, yeah?
Legend.
My friend, take a picture of us. Outside with the kitchen, and this gentleman says that if you was to save something, no, this is important. This is important. If you was to save your brain or your liver, go on, tell them.
What would you choose?
What would you choose? Why you come up with that though?
I think that, the thing is, if you destroy your brain, yeah,
Yeah.
you're just gonna get some like disease where you can't heal it. But the liver, you can stop it,
Yeah.
and then pump it with. And before you get to, like, I know, like, if you would know, like, they could help it out. You can stop it just so it gets too bad, and you can take medication. But then you always gas up too bad.
Are you a drinker?
You're always going to let it hook you just the same way.
Are you a drinker?
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes.
Only do it because it bubbles me up. No, they say champagne. It bubbles up here. Bubbles. You see it at the pub, but I know it's antisocial.
Can I ask you one question? If you don't mind.
No, go.
Do you suffer from mental health?
Yeah, I have had that. No, ain't even funny. They give you this medication, don't even help you out, bro.
What is it called?
For Pixel. It's some weird thing they invented back in the 60s. Yeah?
And how much times a day do you have to take it?
Once a month. They put this. No, it looks like, yeah?
Yeah.
See the stink bombs?
Yeah.
Years ago.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like, bro. I've seen it.
You see the food that I'm cooking? This food here. You see this food here that I'm cooking? That's for your brain, that's for your liver, that's for your mind, that's for your body, and that's for your soul. And that's gonna make you feel good inside. That is it.
I'll come back when it's food on.
Yeah, come back in like half hour. Good vibes, people, yeah. We're outside with the kitchen, one love, that is it. Another amazing day with the kitchen on the roadside, you understand? The makeshift Jamaican style hand cart, people, yeah, is fully active and fully on the go. Fresh vegetables, them. Hold on. Outside, we're there now cleaning up the things, people. And I know joke thing, you know. It's actually winter time. It's cold, but it's not as cold as how it was in the last couple videos that you guys have seen me in. Look at that. Wow. We're bright and we're early today, people, yeah. The flavors that's coming out of the pot already is amazing. Yeah, man, we're here in Croydon. As you can see, the tram's active. The market is active, people, yeah. We've got our Christmas dinner, Christmas barbecue. When you watch this video, the 7th of December is our Christmas dinner, our Christmas barbecue, people, yeah. Make sure that you're there, you understand? Come out, come and support, you understand, people, yeah. That is it, our good vibes. Outside, Croydon, live on a high street. We're there, so outside the market, you understand? Sorry, street market that's been here for more than 800 years, people. This is where we're cooking. Right here, so we are cooking up. Yeah, man, I Ringo Vision spot right here, so you know. Yeah, man, I've just got the permission from the Most High Universal God, you understand? So Ringo Vision can just plant him thing, so when him forward, and when him ready for leave, him can just leave, you understand? So we're there until such time, people, yeah, are good vibes. Big man, are you homeless? How long you been homeless for?
Sorry?
How long you been homeless? Which country you from? Which country? What country?
Romania.
Oh, Romania.
Yeah. Not my fault.
Okay, so we have a lot of people out here. He's not one of the homeless people them that come and get food, yeah. But we've got a lot of organized, structured homeless begging that's out here, not just in Croydon, but all over the UK people, yeah. Just look out for it, you understand? Our good vibes. It's vegan, you know, sister.
Right, nice.
So you know that I got all the fresh ingredients in there, like thyme, scallion, garlic,
Yeah.
ginger.
Cool.
I've got look, I'm gonna also put some okra inside as well.
Yeah.
And I'm working with like red pepper, cause you know, so the colours them are important.
Exactly.
And we've got the scotch bonnet that we've got going in the pot as well.
Yeah.
We have a yam.
Alright.
You see the size of the yam?
Cool.
Alright,
That's
and then
good then, bro.
so look, so you see the base of the.
Well, I'm gonna go to it. I just wanted to know what you're cooking.
Alright, bless up, yeah?
Yeah, bless man.
A good vibes. That is it, people, yeah? Yeah, man, people are just passing and they're showing the interest of what's going on in here right now. A good vibes.
One for me, one for him. Everyone thinks I'm homeless out here getting a Ringo food. Shouldn't even pay them.
Good vibes. One jelly coconut water. Wash off our people. Cause we're there, you know, keep the thing clean. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so alright, so look, the pot's boiling up, you know, and we've got this big piece of yam. Can you see the yam? Look at that. Wow. Look at this big piece of yam, everybody, yeah? Look in the pot. A good vibe. So we've been out here for a little while now. The ingredients is boiling up. So the next thing now, yeah, is to just peel up the yam, people, yeah? And we're just gonna put this yam in the pot. A good vibes. We're outside now. Remember that the mission continues, people, yeah? A lot of people have been asking how they could support us on the journey and what they can do. We've set up a GoFundMe. The link is in the description, people, yeah? Remember that the mission out here that we're on is to help rekindle the love amongst humanity, you understand? And bring people back together. And our mission is to feed 1 million people. Look at the yam. Nice, pretty white yam, you know. Nice, good white yam, this people, yeah? Are good vibes. Let me show you in the pot at the same time. Look in the pot. You see that? So yeah, man, we're just here on the Surrey Street Market, cooking the soup. The mission has to continue. Alright, so this yam is so big, we have to just give it a rinse off, people, yeah? A good vibes. Yeah, man, so what I'm doing right now, yeah, is just cutting up the yam, putting the yam into the pot. A good vibe. So we've got a lot of yam right now, people, yeah, so we're gonna put the yam in the pot, and then we're gonna cut up the sweet potato, and we're gonna put the sweet potato in the pot as well, people, yeah. A good vibes. Right, so what I'm working with now as well, everybody, yeah, is some sweet potato. So we're gonna peel up some sweet potato right now. Put some sweet potato in the pot. Good vibes, you know. Yeah, man, the pot is smelling absolutely amazing right now. Have a look in the pot. Look at that. We've got the tomatoes, we've got the ginger, we've got the garlic, we've got the scallion, we've got the thyme, we've got the okra. That's gonna go in a little bit later. Yeah, man, good vibes. Oh, wow. one more big sweet potato to go in the pot as well, people. Good vibes. Good vibes, people are good vibes, you know. So everyone, so look, especially in a time like this year, it's important, you understand, to have the right nutrients going into your body, especially like it's cold, it's winter, you're sleeping out on the road and it's rough. So could you imagine like being rough, being cold, and you're not getting the right food into your body? What's happening? You're dying slowly. So hopefully this food here will help individuals that are getting fed over this winter period, especially like a lot of families are at home right now with their loved ones, you understand? And a lot of the people that I'm coming across, they ain't got no one out there. So it's just important that in this time here, if you see a homeless person outside, or if you see someone that needs a little bit of help, try and help them. If you cook some food at home and you got food that you know that you're cooking a lot of food, yeah man, bring some out to the person that you know that's just sitting down on the roadside, and he or she will appreciate that meal there that you bring for them. Yeah man, just do the mission, people. Yeah, are good vibes. Yes, so look, we're putting some scallion into the pot. You understand? Just add some more flavors. You understand? So we just put the yam, we just put the Irish potato, we just put the sweet potato, and now we're just adding some scallion, people. Yeah, we're just gonna make this pot of soup just go and boil up. Our good vibes. You understand? Yeah, man, our good vibes, people. Yeah. Scotch bonnet pepper. Carrot, some light plantain going into the pot as well. Give the pot a stir. Let's see what's in the pot, people. Yeah, look. Pumpkin now. Come and look at the pumpkin. So you see the pumpkin breaks down now to create the color that we're looking for in the pot. As you can see that the pumpkin starts to just break down, and that will create that red color that we're looking for. Look at that. You understand? We just start to slowly just break down the pumpkin, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes. And then we're just gonna make all the ingredients in the pot right now just boil up. We've got all the ingredients them in there. We've got to put the okra. See the pumpkin there? Our good vibes. Last piece of yam going into the pot. Put some okra in. Get full shots, so you can see everything. Yes, people, so I want you to cook it. Vegetable soup, you know. Yeah. Ital, yeah. Come and have a look at the pot now. Look at the pot, look at the pot. Show you what's inside the pot now, people, yeah. Look at that stir now. Yeah, man, we're just gonna make that just go and boil out, people, yeah. A good vibes.
Hey man, I see you on the videos.
How you doing, man?
Good, good. Doing a grand job.
Thank you for stopping by. Some more time. Good vibes, just lock that up now. And just make that just go and simmer down now, people, yeah. We still got some more okra and some more things to put into the pot. But until then, we just make the things then go and boil up. A good vibes. Alright everyone, so I've reached a point right now. I'm just waiting for everything to just go and boil up. We've been out here for a little while right now. And the soup's almost at a completion. We've got a gentleman right here just waiting for some soup. Gentleman right there waiting for some soup. Yeah man, our good vibes people, yeah. The mission continues. Put your comment in the comment section what you think so far, people, yeah. Don't forget to hit that notification, people, yeah. That is it, our good vibe. We're outside. We're going to be sharing up the food in a second, people, yeah. That is it. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we've been outside for a little while right now, people, yeah. So let's just wait for the soup to just complete. Yeah, man, our good vibes. It's a very, very busy day here at the Market Sedway, you know. Let me show you what I've got in the Market Sedway, people, yeah. Our good vibes. So yeah, man, people are just out as normal. We're in December right now. So, you know, say, yeah. People are just buckling and just preparing themselves for the new year to come. Yeah, man, and just doing their daily routines, buying their fruits and vegetables here at the market. As you can see where I go on, you understand? People there, I fix up their stalls. Got their customers, regular customers coming there. Some people coming there for the first time. You got papaya, you got breadfruit there, you got sugarcane there. Yeah, man, you can come to this market if it's the first time you're watching the program and it's the first time you're coming on the program. Yeah, you can come to this market and there's a variations of fruits and vegetables that you can get here from this market at Surrey Street, people, yeah. Big up yourself. If you don't know, say man, at Ringo At, we're outside with the kitchen, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Something just happened. Yeah, something just go on, people, yeah. I don't know what I go on, what about. Yeah, man, we're there. You're right, yeah?
Yeah.
We got some food here, no? Look, what's going on out here? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Look, walking zombie. Look. We've got a walking zombie here in Croydon, people, yeah. We're there, so I cook the food. What do you think it is?
Spice or alcohol?
Yeah?
One or the other.
You think you want some soup? You give him some soup. Give him some soup.
Look at his eyes. That's what I'm saying. Look at his eyes. He's got his fucking trousers down, mate. He's got his trousers down, mate.
So what we've got in here, look, let me show you what's in the pot today, yeah. Look. So look, in the pot, yeah, we have sweet potato, we've got okra, we've got scotch bonnet pepper, we've got thyme, we've got garlic, we've got ginger, we've got red onion, we've got red pepper, we've got yellow pepper, green pepper. You understand? We've got turmeric, we've got ginger, the pumpkins there, we've got plantain in there as well. Everything in there now. We have yam in there as well. We have scallion in there as well. What's going on over there?
The dumpling in there.
That's the only thing we're in there because remember it says the ital thing. So no dumpling in there. But This is ready in a couple minutes. Yeah, man, we're ready in a couple minutes. A good vibes.
So my one on you, yeah?
Yes, big man, you're right, yeah? We're ready, you know. We're ready. Wow, we're there, man, outside with the kitchen. Bubla, thank you for telling us your story the other day and letting everybody know what you've been through in life. Because they're all asking you how you've been. So I just want you to tell everybody that you're alright, you're safe now,
I'm
innit?
safe, man. Look up there.
He said the sky is blue.
Yeah, it's all good, man.
Alright, a good vibe, Bubla. Respect, yeah? I think he's had a little bit too much to drink, but this is Croydon, people, yeah? This is what you're gonna get in Croydon, yeah? People are gonna turn themselves into zombies, just like that. So I'm just showing you, we're out cooking, and I'm just showing you what's happening while we're out here cooking at the market, people, yeah? You right, love? You want some soup? Yeah, too much to drink.
Really?
Yeah, too much to drink. Too much to drink. All right, everybody, we can't get no better than this. Bubba, we're gonna start sharing out this food, you know. Yeah. So we reached that point now, people, yeah, so we can start sharing out the food, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Big up yourself to everybody that's been here, you understand, with us. The mission continues, said way. You see that some people on the roadside and turn themselves in a zombie, you understand? But we've got Lucky there helping out at the same time, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Look, the police has just turned up as well, people, yeah. So, yeah, man. Adam, that is one of the homeless people that come and eats every day. He's attending to the police there, right on site. You understand, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Everything on camera, and we're capturing everything today, people, yeah. Just let you know what's happening out here, you understand? Our good vibes. We're out here and we're cooking food, and this is the incidents, what's happening while we're out here cooking, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Said way. So yeah, police is attending to the scene right now, people, yeah. But you see what they do? They call the police. They don't call it ambulance, you know, they call it police. They ask for police. You see it? They ask for police. But they said that they're open, but they ask for police. You understand? My man don't want to see the police. You don't want to see the police. You want to see an ambulance. You don't want to see no police. You get what I'm saying? Call the paramedics. They call police. I have to show what I go on out here. Alright, so we're just going to start sharing out some food right now. So our good vibes. Rasta, you can just give me an assistance. Yes, people. So look, I'm just chilling out here, just serving up the soup and whatnot. One of our regulars has just come through. Tyler, I haven't told you that we're keeping a Christmas dinner on Saturday in Wandle Park. So try and be there, please, yeah? What time? And from 10 o'clock in the morning. It's an all-day thing, isn't it? Okay. Christmas dinner and thing. Yeah, man, a good vibes.
Yeah, pull up, Tyler.
Big up yourself. So, how you been anyway, Tyler? You good? Yeah. That is it. Hold some soup and warm up yourself. A good vibe. There you go. Hold it. Good vibes.
Good vibes, good vibes.
Yes, people, so we're just outside with the kitchen right now.
Come on.
Just gonna hand out the rest of the soup. Big up yourself. Remember, this weekend, Saturday, the 7th of December. This Saturday, the 7th of December, everybody, yeah? Be there if you can. If you're local in the community of Croydon, you understand? Send me a DM on my Instagram, you understand? And let's connect. Or send me an email, people, yeah? We're outside. A good vibe, you understand?
Good vibes.
Okay.
Man, like your shed dinner. Oh, God. Good, yeah? Come on. Good vibes.
So, yeah, this Saturday, people, yeah? Be there. A good vibe.
Or be square.
Or be square.
Yes.
come fill your belly.
All right.
Alright, man.
There's water there as well, mate.
How long you been out?
A bottle of water as well, so you need a bottle of water. Yeah.
Oh shit, Ollie's thing.
Yes, man. So
Yeah.
the soup is almost at a completion. Wow, you know what it is here? The soup is so needed at a time like this as well.
In this
It's cold
weather.
out here.
Yes.
See, every time I open up the pot then, I'm loving it because my hands get a little bit
Warm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go, mate.
You're right, big man. You want soup, yeah?
Since I've seen you the last time, what's been happening? Give everyone a little update, please. What's been going on outside being homeless and how life has been here. We're in December now. It's festive, and you understand you've been out on the streets. How are you coping?
I've been alright. You know that one with the ponytail? He's a good guy. He helps me out. He made me a cup of tea and washed my stuff the other night.
Yeah.
Down.
I see you got a nice little sleeping bag that you're rolling with.
Yeah, I got this from that burger van up there.
Yeah.
But it's not as better food than this.
Okay.
This is
But you've been alright though, coping.
I ain't eating food up there.
You're coping though, Tyler. You're not coping. You see that people, yeah, Tyler's not coping, but you know why he's not coping? Because he's homeless and he's cold and he needs somewhere warm to be and he needs some fresh clothing. Do you understand, people, yeah? And he needs some TLC as well.
I don't know, lack of loving in my life.
Yeah, that he said it himself.
Everyone needs love.
Everybody needs love.
They're human. You know what I mean? Come and get a soup, man.
Soup, lovely.
Fen, hold this, please. Let me just share a soup out for him.
Lovely.
How you been?
No bad, brother, no bad.
Not bad.
No, brother.
I got this lovely soup here
Lovely, tasty soup.
to warm you up.
Yeah, brother, love. Thank you.
Do you like Scotch bonnet pepper?
Yeah, friend. No.
Like Fenny said, yeah. So I'm gonna give
have some.
Yeah, make him bite it, man, and eat a pepper, man. Warm him up.
Take your time,
Yeah.
Take your time. Mine not
Thank you.
Good vibes. You want some soup?
Can I have a tissue?
Come get some soup, love.
Water as well. We have
Come get some soup.
So yes, what go on, Ringo?
We got the last serving there. This has to be the last serving, Carlo.
Okay, look, he's coming with his container today, you know. I like that. Helping us save money, bro. Eco-friendly. Look how smoky this. That's smoky.
Oh,
Boy, nice smoky. Chris Norman.
man. Let's go smoky.
Look at that, people.
He's got his brethren up the road as well. So
So he's gonna share it with his
Yeah,
friend.
it's about 3 of them.
Seeing.
So
Yes.
yeah, so no, bring it. You know,
All the way
go
up.
on with it, man. I
Fill it all the way up.
Yes. Okay.
One
Proper
second.
things.
Hold the pot. Wait, come out. No, hold the pot. You hold the pot. You know why he's holding the pot, everyone?
Yeah.
He's at the most food from
Yes.
this pot.
Yes.
So he's a legendary out of everyone, yeah.
He's a legend.
That's been eating from Ringo Vision and Fen and that, yeah.
Yes.
Look, he's at the most soup out of everybody, yeah.
Legend.
Pick him up, Fen, take a picture of us. Boss, let me get some hot water quickly. Yes, everyone, so wash up time right now, so just get some hot water from the shop here. So it's easier to wash up the pot with some hot water, people, and wash up the things then. Yeah, man, we're there in the fishmongers, the other one. Are good vibes. Yes, everyone, so the last part of the day is this. You know, you just have to wash up the things then quickly, people, yeah. Have good vibes, as you can see that the market's closing up. Also closing up at the
That's
same time
it.
as well, people, yeah.
Yes.
So catch us in the hours of market time, people, yeah. We'll be here in them hours there. Alive, Fen?
Yes.
Yeah, man, market
Trading
time.
hours.
Yes.
Yes. After trading hours, shop closed. You get me?
That is it. Big up yourself, people, yeah? And just remember, say, yeah, man, one love, one unity, and good vibes. Saturday, the 7th of December, homeless barbecue. We'll see you there. Good vibes.
Good vibes.